This is a hill climb competition. The contestants are a child, a small car, a piggy, an ambulance, a yellow sports car, and a red sports car. First up is the boy riding his bike. Oh no, he crashed. No problem, try again. Oh dear, unfortunately, he ultimately failed. Let's see how the second contestant, the little red car, performs. What a pity. The little red car also failed. The third contestant is the pink piggy. It's so cute. Fantastic! It succeeded. Next, let's watch the ambulance's exciting performance. Oh no, the ambulance also crashed. Keep trying. Really unfortunate. The ambulance has ended this race. The yellow sports car is starting off now. Awesome. It smoothly reached the finish line. The final contestant, the red sports car. Oops, it slid back toward the starting line.